Good morning, students. Today I am going to start your second chapter in supplementary reader, and the chapter name is The Friendly Mongoose. So let us see the summary. The Friendly Mongoose is a famous folktale that is taken from our Panchtantra. The story revolves around a farmer family and a mongoose. Before I start the summary of the chapter, I want to introduce you the characters in the story through this picture. In this picture, you can see there is one farmer with his wife and their son who is sleeping in the cradle, and one little cute mongoose. The story begins with the farmer in a village who thinks that their son needs a companion. He discusses it with his wife and brings a cute baby mongoose. Soon the baby mongoose became like a family member of a farmer's family. Within a few months, the baby mongoose grows to a full size while the farmer's son remains still in the cradle. Students, cradles means a small bed for a baby. Now, as story moves on, the farmer wife goes to the market. Now, one day the house lady, or you can say farmer's wife, decided to go to the market to buy some grocery. She asked the farmer to keep an eye on their son, as she does not like his son with the mongoose alone. Farmer replied that mongoose is a friendly animal and just sweet like our son. After that, his wife goes away. The farmer had nothing to do, so he decided to visit his nearby friend. During his return, he met another friend and became busy with them. Now, the house lady, which she went to buy grocery to the market, now she arrived at the home. Now the house lady decided Now the house lady finishes the shopping and arrives at the home. She sees the mongoose waiting for her. Once she comes, mongoose returns towards her as a customary. The farmer's wife sees that mongoose face and paws are full of bloods. Now she becomes angry and thinks that the mongoose has killed my son. In the rage, she throws the heavy grocery basket on the mongoose and runs towards her son. When she enters the room, she sees that her baby is sleeping in the cradle and a black snake was lying dead on the floor with the blood. Now she understands that mongoose has not killed her baby but has saved her from the snake. She feels pity and runs towards the mongoose. But now, when she reached there, she found that mongoose is no more. And farmer wife cries and goes back to her crying son. At the end, the moral of the story is we see that lady become angry and with the rat killed the mongoose. She did not analyze the situation and initiated the action without use of the mind. So, the story teaches us not to be angry and take actions without mind if something goes wrong. Else, we will have to repent later, just like the farmer's wife. Thank you, students.